Hi everyone, Maria Luisa here with another journal video. This time we're gonna do kind of live. Now we are planning another art journal page. I have something in mind, but let's see if it will make sense. First of all, I want to do the background, and I will use those three colors and mix in there. And I will do it in a very quick speed. Ready? Go! Alright, this is the background. I'm gonna fix this part by using the same color. I'm gonna use the pink one. This is the picked raspberry, by the way. And I'm gonna use some water. And in this way, basically became a watercolor. So I'm gonna just put color there and try to add some color in the between of the two pages, because I don't like this white. Okay, it's not bad. No, I don't like the white over there. I'm gonna add some more water, even if it's gonna be brighter or slightly different on the rest, doesn't matter, but I needed to have some color. Like that is fine. Maybe I will add some more, also some of the lilac color. Again, adding water and just add it there. Yeah, voila. And maybe here too. So try to kind of mix the color even here in between the pages a little bit. At least this one, this is the darker one. Voila! I think we can consider it done. So that's my background, my first layer of the background. Now what we are gonna do, I'm going to use the baby wipe. Well, first let's clean the mat. Sorry. I'm gonna use the baby wipe and some stenciling. I want to see if I can remove some of the color. So I want to use this one with all number and color and number and some letter here and there. So I want to first do as a ghost. So with the baby wipe, just remove some of the color randomly. This is gonna work better on the lilac because that's the oxidized ink, and it's gonna be like that. I'm gonna just do it randomly. Am I destroying the page? Just a little bit. Eee, maybe too much water on that one. So this is for the ghost effect, and then we are gonna do the same. I want to use again the same, using the same colors. Let's start with the pink. but I won't use on the pink, but I will use on the other color. So I'm not introducing any new color, I'm just using the same. You see, that's wonderful. Just on the opposite, on the other color in the background. Voila. And something here.
One eternity later.
Yep. So this is the background. Now it's done the background, and we are gonna work on the focal point. So I have few ideas for the focal point. I need to understand which one I want to use. So we are gonna use some magazine cutout. I have this folded insert. Yeah. And I was thinking to use or this one, this girl, or maybe it's a bit too big, so I'm not so sure, or this one. So we need to cut it out. Let's cut it out. E voilà, done. Allora, so I think I'm gonna use her because she's the right size. She's good. I was thinking to use her here, but I don't like. I would have adjust the socks, and I really don't like. I wanted to find maybe a bigger face, but I didn't find anywhere in the magazine. So let's go with the normal one, with the easiest one. So let's glue it, and then we are back. We will be back. Here it is. I'm using Ranger Multi-Medium Matte to glue it, really paying attention to don't go outside too much, because the distressing is react with liquid, and it's gonna change the color, and I really don't want it because I really love the background. So let's fix here and there, and voila. So that's my focal point for this page. And now we are gonna do some line. Come on, stay there. I want to have hair in balance, in a kind of, I think I'm gonna use, yes, the same three colors. So I have the red, Stabilo red, then I have an orange color, this is an aquarelle, a watercolor pencil, and then the blue. So some line, I'm gonna do some line here, like she's in balance. Let's use the blue one. Let's use. Since those are all watercolor pencil, I'm gonna now activate with water, and I'll be right back. I like it. So now it's time for some details here and there. First of all, we need some splashes, and we are gonna use blue. Let's start with blue. At this point, let's speed it up, otherwise we will never finish this video. So I'm gonna do the voiceover, and I'm gonna do some splashes, as I was telling, using some acrylic color. So I wanted to have again the same color that we have on the line. So I want to have some blue, some orange, and some red in the splash as well. So I will not introduce any really different color. Those are the color of the page. And the three colors that I'm using are cobalt blue, orange red, and crimson red. And since I have there in the glass mat, the acrylic paint, I'm gonna do as well at the same time the border. And I want to use this fantastic stencil from my new stencil set that I received from my wonderful family. Thanks a lot, mommy and sister. This stencil set is called SWPEET, I don't know, from Amazon anyway, and I love it. There are a lot of stencils there, and I love pretty much all of them. and I'm gonna randomly use here and there those with the line with the dot, and this is gonna be basically my border. Every time that I'm gonna change color, I'm gonna clean my glass mat, and I'm gonna clean also the stenciling, because those are acrylic paint. We cannot leave it there, otherwise it will become a mess. And it's so easy to clean this glass mat. I'm in love with it. Now it's time for the quote, so I'm gonna write it down on the right part of the page. Keep moving to let the cows find balance. I was thinking also keep moving to let the cows in me find balance, but yeah, in the end I went with this one. And I'm using my Uniposca white pen marker, perfect for a background that is colorful, so then the white is really popping up. And for the word cows, I decided to use the 3 different colors that I was using for the lines. So again, the blue, the red, and orange. And for balance, I wrote it down a different way. To be honest, I don't know if I like it this way, but I did it and I cannot change anymore. So that's basically something that I cannot change. That's the page. I hope that you like it. In the end, I really like it. I like the colorful result, and I think it turned out one of my favorite page, to be honest. In the end, I will put some close-up picture as always. There's always there, and I will put also in the end another video of magazine cutout project that I'm sure you will like it. That's it for today. I hope that you had fun, and see you soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.